So yeah, we'll drive a car over here. You want to drive a car over to this, and we'll load it up.
Ooh, this dude has the same gun I have, but black. He also doesn't have the really big magazines. Sorry, face.
Oh shit! I just got shot.
Oh, jeez. Who killed us? Oh, that's
A player.
I realized the player did. Oh, I see him too. He's like,
All right. We cleared the base and then we died. GG.
see how it goes. Did you get all the stuff from the loot crate, or did he grab?
No, I didn't start moving anything. There was nothing worth grabbing to move it by hand.
Okay.
It was all worth selling. There's some cars down there.
I'm trying to look to see if I see him, because he was like wearing a backpack and everything.
Well, we'll have to kill him and then get our shit and go.
He's already gone.
I mean, unless he was just not killing us for our stuff.
It seemed like he needed our stuff. We got our stuff to sell.
Still gotta be careful, Sean.
I know.
Officially in the old sawmill.
Running through some buildings and like that side of that little hill thing. Catch up to you.
Yep, I'm close to the supermarket. I hear a vehicle. Looks like he grabbed a truck
I do
and
not.
left with it. He had one of the armored trucks.
Oh, player Tyler is losing connection.
Oh, I'm losing connection. Oh boy.
Stay with me, Tyler.
I'm losing
Stay
it.
with me,
I'm going
buddy.
crazy. I'm losing connection to reality.
I don't think you ever had that.
Nah, I never. Was this my corpse? Yes, it was. No, this wasn't.
Your
Never mind.
corpse looted?
Where was my corpse at? I gotta remember where I died at. Over here, right?
Towards the green logs, yeah, by the log.
Let's see. He left me with my gun. Left me with my outfit. That's you running up on me, right?
Mm-hmm. I don't remember what side of the log they died from.
Took my Santa hat.
Yeah, I took my Santa hat too. I'm missing it.
Whatever, we'll deal with it. And also took a mag from my gun. Never mind. I still have both mags. Alright, let's go.
The revenge.
Let's try to hunt down this guy that killed us.
He went that way.
He also
Oh.
took my MBGs, which sucks. I think.
Is that NVGs?
Yeah, actually, let me go check my corpse, make sure I'm not dumb and just overlooked him. No, he took my MBGs. He has a stealth combat helmet. Let's see if I can wear it. I can wear it. Even though it's a Apex thing and I don't have Apex.
There are pliers right here. I can't get them.
Nor can I. Alright, let's just go. Do you want to... He was heading up. I mean, he might be heading
Yeah,
to
I saw
Old
him go
Hospital.
that way.
Do we want to run there or take our car?
I'd say take a car. Probably be faster.
I'll let you drive this time. Uh-oh.
Oh, really? As soon as our Santa hatch gets stolen, this is what happens.
So if this car helps us... Although he left me with a lot of food, so... we can eat the food to heal. Oh boy.